Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Fiat Panda 2015 model. Basically, another garage bring it to me, this one to the diagnostic. Have a look what happened when I operate the screen washer. I can hear pump working, but washer fluid not get to the windscreen. So I already jack up the car. Next step, I'm going to remove the underneath cover and read to the pump, screen washer pump, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next step, because I feeling pump work, water not get into the windscreen, could be blockage pipeline, tube line, or could be clog up pump inside, because sometimes people using many liquid for the screen washer, then after that it's react each other and it's inside the tank, it will build up junk stuff. We'll see. However, at the moment, too early to comment anything. That's a common reasons. But however, I'll open underneath cover, and once I read to the pump, I'll show you what's going on there. Right. Next step, I already removed this cover. Then we have access to the pump. I'll already remove this electrical connector. I'll show you. We need to press this two tab together and lift up. Then you can remove electrical connector. Next step, I'm going to remove the pump, lift up, just lift up, and take out the pump and visually have a look what's going on there. Right, I already removed the pump. Right, next step, I'm going to disconnect the whole connectors. Right, now I'm going to install this pump again and have a look operating the stick and water spray here and back. At the moment, my diagnostic purpose, I'm going to add the water. After the repair, I will add proper screen washer. Right, now I'm going to operate front side. Operate. Yeah, you can see front side work. Back side. Yeah, both side work. Then I don't have any. Okay. Then I don't have any doubt for the pump. Pump 100% work. Now, next suspect, some this line blocked somewhere. That's why my next suspect. But I'm going to remove these nozzles and open the tube from there and have a look what's happened there. I'm going to lift up from this side, front. See, right. Then you can remove the connectors. Right. And I'm going to leave it that one and try to blow. Yeah, something came out from that side, but I'm not sure. I'm going to block this pipe, because otherwise if it go in, I had to remove the whole cover to take it out. Right, next step, just use the air pressure and try to clean the tube. Again, I'm going to reconnect front and back lines. Right, both line already connected. Right, then again I'm going to start the car and have a look what happened here. I'm going to start the car. Still nothing coming. Right. Some air definitely block at the tube. We'll see the back one. Have a look the back one. Yeah, back one all good. I need to clean the line. It's somewhere block. Take out this one also. Right. I'm going to do the air pressure from this side and have a look what's going on. Right. I think now all block gone now. Okay. Then I'm going to reconnect this connector and have a look again what's going on there. Yeah, you can see now however water came, now we something success. Now we need to install this old jet and have a look what's going on there again. Just dribbling, yeah, yeah, right. I feeling what happened now, the water come to here, but the this nozzles block. We'll try to use our air pressure and have a look is it work or not. If it not, we need to replace. This is one more try. This is the last try. Yeah. Ah, lovely. Yeah. That air thingy work now. Okay, done the job. Proper screen washer. Right. Close the bonnet. Have a look now. Yeah, it's doing the job. I'm happy, but not pressure as should be, because if you need a good pressure, you need a two nozzles and pump also a little bit weaker, but it's doing the job. He will get the MOT now. If you have like this problem, you know what to do. Try these steps, you will be fine. Yeah, and also if you need to join with us our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, link below, you can join, but please don't spam there or don't going to promote your own item in that group, because it's strictly for vehicle matters. No any promotion please. Thank you. See you in the next video.